Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's special recipe is chicken fry. Before starting the recipe, please like and subscribe to my channel for getting new notifications and new videos. Let's start the recipe. Here I have taken 1 kg of chicken and wash it well. Now into this add half a spoon of turmeric, 2 big spoons of red chili powder, salt according to your taste, 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste. Now into this add 2 spoons of oil and mix it well. After mixing it well, marinate it for half an hour. Now into a big bowl add oil, and now into this add finely chopped onions and fry them well. Now into this add few curry leaves. Now into this add half a spoon of ginger garlic paste and mix well. Add half a spoon of turmeric. Now into this add marinated chicken. This marinated chicken will be soft and all the spices in it will be absorbed. Now mix it well. Now put the lid and let the stove be in medium flame. After 10 minutes, open the lid and mix well. Now once again close the lid and once again open it after 5 minutes and mix well. You have to put the stove in medium flame only. Now into this add 1 spoon of dhania powder, half a spoon of garam masala, 2 spoons of coconut powder and mix well. Now put the lid and after 5 minutes open the lid and off the stove. Squeeze half a lemon and transfer the curry into serving bowl and garnish on the top with coriander leaves. Serve it with onion slices and lemon piece. And mouth-watering spicy chicken fry is ready. If you like the recipe, please like, and for more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and do not forget to share with your friends.